Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I was searching for the perfect accessory to just revitalize and freshen up my summer wardrobe now that warm weather is coming. And I found it with these sunglasses from Armear. I love how they are so oversized. They fit me so well, and yet they're not heavy. And the detailing on them is exquisite. I just think it's adorable how they've added that little pearl effect on the end of the earpiece, and that it's a pretty open design, but it comes with nose pads. And since I have a very narrow bridge on my nose, I appreciate the fact that I can adjust the nose pads on these sunglasses and they fit me perfectly. So if you are looking for a summer accessory, something to refresh and revitalize your summer wardrobe, I highly recommend these amazing sunglasses. They are so much fun. They add glamour immediately to any outfit, no matter where you are. You can dress them up, you can wear them by the pool, they're perfect. And they're not heavy, and I love the fact that they have that adjustable nose pad on the bridge. So you will not be disappointed. These are fabulous sunglasses, and that is my point of view.